Well, Congressman, what exactly are you hoping to find and how will you establish the pattern of corruption? Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto already talked about the 6 stages of corruption. Makakatulong po ba yun sa inyong investigation?
Hindi, makakatulong yun. Actually, si Mayor Nagala may binabanggit siya na comparison, for example, of the unit prices of materials, and when you make a comparison relating to market prices, malayo yung diferensya. No? So I think they would be permitted to make these particular presentations to Congress. Pero syempre, as soon as they make allegations, for example, that a majority of legislators or majority of congressmen actually make kickbacks from government projects, that would be the time when we will have to ask them for actual names. Kasi that would be, accusatory na po yan sa mga miyembro po ng Kongreso.
And Congressman, can we expect na walang sasantuhin sa investigasyon ng TRAI committee given that some lawmakers could be implicated in this?
Like what you had stated many times in the last couple of days, no? Wala ho talagang sisinuhin. No? That is also the President's pronouncement today. Talaga kung may mga kaibigan siya na matatamaan po talaga, pasensya na lang po. And I think that is the same conduct that we would want to see as we proceed with the TRICOM hearings relating to the flooding around the country po.
Pero nabanggit rin ni Mayor Magalong no, na minsan kasi walang paper trail. No? Like some lawmakers, of course, magda-divest sila. So pag tinignan mo yung GIS, SEC, of course, they've divested. So how deep can we actually count on these investigations to go?
Yeah, but again, to be very clear, no, this is not a witch hunt. Kumbaga, if you make an accusation, you actually have to be ready with the particular documents, with the particular evidence. No? So that is his risk, when he wants to go to Congress. Kasi people will have to make accusations and identify names under oath. So ibig sabihin, in the same manner that the accused legislators will be subject to the same scrutiny, the one who is making the accusation will be subject to the same scrutiny din po in that particular committee.